Next is error in power. Now we have a quantity A which is raised to power n. The value of A is A plus minus delta A. So that value of Z will be equal to Z plus minus delta Z is equal to A plus minus delta A raised to power n. Now we will take A raised to power n common. When we will take A out of the whole term, it will be raised to power of n is equal to A raised to power n 1 plus minus delta A upon A raised to power n. अब we will use the identity 1 plus x raised to power n is equal to 1 plus nx. ये जो n है it will be get multiply here. Now A by n is equal to z. Here it will become z. Z and z will cancel out. 1 and 1 will cancel out. You will get plus minus delta z by z is equal to plus minus n delta A by A. Plus minus will cancel out. Delta z by z is equal to n times delta A by A. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? Whenever a quantity is raised to power n, then the relative error in that quantity is the power multiplied by the relative error of the quantity. मतलब total क्या होगा relative error? Power multiplied by relative error of the quantity. First numerical is the error in the measurement of the radius of sphere is 2%. It has been given as the error in the measurement of radius of sphere is given as 2%. We have to calculate the error in the volume of the sphere. First of all, the formula for the volume of sphere is given as V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have to calculate the error in the volume. It will be equal to delta V upon V into 100. This is constant, so constant will not contain an error, is equal to, now here R Q is the power, the error in power. Whenever we have to calculate the error in the power of the quantity, then the power comes in front, that is 3 will come here, and we will have delta R upon R into 100. Now the value of delta R upon R, here it is in percentage, so here we can write into 100. The value of delta R upon R into 100 is given as 2%, that is we will have 3 into 2. So the total error in the volume of the sphere will be 6%. In the next question we have the length, breadth and height of a rectangular block of wood are, we have a rectangular block whose length is given as 12.13 plus minus 0.02 centimeter. The breadth is given as 8.16 into 0.01 centimeter. The height of the block is given as h is equal to 3.46 into 0.01 centimeter. We have to calculate the total error, that is the percentage error in the volume of the block. First of all, it is a rectangular block, and for the volume of the rectangular block is given as V is equal to LBH. Now this is the, in this we have to calculate the error in product. The total percentage error in this product will be given by delta V by V into 100 is equal to delta L by L into 100 plus delta V by B into 100 plus delta H upon H into 100. Now here the value of delta L is 0.02. The value of L is 12.13. The value of delta B is 0.01. The value of B is 8.16. The value of delta H is 0.01 and the value of H is 3.46. Now substitute the values in this equation and you will get the answer as 0.58%. Now in the next question we have been given a quantity as equal to a raised to power 4 b raised to power 1 by 3 upon c raised to power 1 into d raised to power 3 by 2. We have to write the expression to calculate the percentage error in z. Now to calculate the percentage error in z, we will have delta z by z into 100 is equal to, this is the power 4 into delta a by a plus the power is 1 by 3 delta b by b plus here power is c 1 delta c by c plus here power is b is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 delta d by t. Now this is the expression to calculate the percentage error. Here is 100. Then you will multiply each and every quantity with 100, or you can multiply the total equation by 100. You will get the percentage error in z.